Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, guys, pardon my attire. It's a little nippy today. Yes, so protective gear. So, as I promised, in this video, we're going to be replacing the driver mirror. I'm really excited, guys. I'm grinning from ear to ear. Alright, so we're going to start off by removing this guy here. Shouldn't be too difficult. Not even too sure how long this is going to take, but I'm having fun. Finally getting to a point where this car is, looking like it's all set. Alright, so let's begin. So this part here generally comes off without much hassle. Comes off with bare hands, really. This plug here is actually broken. The little clip is broken, so it generally fights me a little bit to come off. And today, being as cold as it is, yeah, my fingers aren't playing ball. Give me a second, let me get my birthday pliers. Every time. Yeah, so the actual clip here is broken. Not really sure when that happened, but that's been the case for some time, and it has really struggled to come off almost every time. So I'm not really sure how I'm going to handle this situation here. Oh, I think I see how. One point. So there's a little bump right here that we can just press, and she'll come right up. There we go. These speakers, I don't know. They say Bose, but I'm not too sure. We'll see. Alright, so looking at this, ideally the door card should really come up, but I don't have to. I can easily reach this with a 10mm. I do have a ratcheting box end which will work there pretty well. But yeah, shouldn't be a problem. It's not a 10. Oh, go figure. My bad. And this is actually an, what is that? That's an 11mm. Who puts an 11mm? What I'm going to do, in the interest of safety, I'm going to put this box here. That's the box that the new mirror came in. Just to put it underneath here, so that if the unthinkable happens, it will fall into the box and not break. I highly doubt that's going to happen. All right. So here's my 11mm ratcheting. At this point, I'm just going to do things with my hand. Okay. I'm pretty nervous about this one because if it falls down into the door, we're going to have to remove the door card, which I don't want to do. Very careful. And voila. before I go any further, let me go ahead and undo. Guys, this will be really a lot easier if I just remove the door card. So I'm supporting her with my hand, and I tell you, it probably would have fallen off. Ta-da! Right. Now guys, here we have it. We're almost there. The new one. Almost there. Right. She fits snugly. Snugly. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Okay. The final one. Now for me, this is where I have to be very careful, because with my luck, this will fall right down in there. Okay. Here we go. Alrighty. Alright. Let's not worry about this too much yet, guys. Let's try it. Let's begin. Yes, indeed, it works. All right, let me see if I can do the heating element. Usually takes a while. Let's get warm. Yep, it's getting warm. All right. Excellent. I'm not going to see the blind spot warning at this point. You know, outside of actually driving it, I'd probably have to hook up Forescan and let it do its thing, but I don't have a Windows laptop right now, and I just think the Android and iOS versions are nonsense, simply because they just don't have the same capability. So at the moment, I'm going to look at this and I'm going to call it a win. You know? I'm going to call this a win. Okay? It moves. I should really check to see if the puddle lamp works. Let's see. Yes, indeed it does. Yes, indeed it does. Look at that. The puddle lamp works. Perfect. So, that being said, guys, I'm really excited. Thanks to everybody who, you know, tunes in to watch these videos of me restoring this car. You know, you guys know that this car is, oh my God, it's my baby. Right. So, yep, still going. All right. So, guys, all right. So, we've gotten the mirror out of the way, and I think the next thing we're going to be doing is to perhaps replace the airbags, but that is an expensive step. Okay, so there are a couple of things that I want to tidy up. Oh, I do have something that I want to install. I recently got it off Amazon. Totally surprised that it was available on Amazon. Usually this is the sort of thing you find on either eBay or AliExpress or some questionable site somewhere, but this was on Amazon, so you know it's the real deal. It's coming to you, and it's coming to you fast. Okay, so not gonna tell you what it is in this video, but the next video that I post, you will see what it is. And this has been a problem with this car. Not a problem. Something went wrong with the car maybe about a year after I bought it. Wasn't a big deal, didn't affect anything except the aesthetics, but I finally got the replacement. And my next video, that's what I'll be tackling. Okay, because the airbags are going to be expensive. It's going to be a ways down the road, and I don't know, at some point I'm going to be tackling the rocker panel, running board, kick plate. No, not kick plate. The rocker panel. Okay, that's also a more expensive fix. Actually, more expensive than the mirror. So that's going to be a ways down the road, and we're doing this step by step. You know, trying to do it on the affordable. All right. So, guys, wow, thanks for joining me, and thanks for watching. Join me again for another video with the 2013 Mazda 6. All right, like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.